Hey Explorers, I was invited to the Wicked for Good premiere at Universal Studios Singapore. What a fantastical night! From beautiful decorations that transform the park into Oz, to watching Cynthia Erivo, Ariana Grande, Michelle Yeoh, and Jeff Goldblum walk the yellow carpet, I'm taking you inside what you didn't see on social media. So let's head down the yellow brick road. Before the premiere though, just outside the park, they have this installation that has all these different exhibits promoting Wicked for Good. So I highly recommend checking them out. You don't even have to go into the park to look at them. I think they're just a lot of fun. Look at Glinda's train, like that is fabulous. And there's even the yellow brick road that is projected on the ground. And you're gonna see a lot of familiar faces like Elfie and Glinda and Fiero. Glinda again, her and her crown. We got Nessa. We have Jeff, the wizard. Elfie again. Bach. Hey, Bach. These two. And when you get all the way to the end, there is Glinda's bubble that you can get your picture in. So once I was done, we just went down the yellow brick road. And then at the end, we also came face to face with Elphaba's huge hat, which I thought was really cool. I love that two of the hotels, one side was green and one side was kind of a pinkish color. Nice little touch. Now it's time for the yellow carpet event for Wicked for Good. So I was on the press side and I got there maybe a little bit too early. I felt like I was the only one there. But you know what? I'd rather be there early than late. So I just walked around, just kind of soaked in the atmosphere. There was fans on the other side that have been waiting there since I think like 9 in the morning or something like that. They had everything decorated, not just for the premiere, but also for the event that they have on. I need to take a break from the heat, so I went inside and looked at some of the merchandise that they have, and some of it's actually pretty cute. Can't believe I'm here. You just stay hydrated. Then finally, the event started.
We got Glinda the Good, we got Elphaba still, Elphaba bad.
Wicked. Well, it's difficult. So it's a toss between Glinda and Elphaba. So they both tied.
I love that we were interviewed about our outfits.
Loving your outfits. Can you tell us more about them? Maybe where they came from, who designed them?
He made all of them.
Wow, we have a designer here. We have so many.
And yes, if you're wondering, that is my cameraman.
Designed by our friend here from Japan. So if you want to get yours done, go over to him and send him a little message. Thank you very much and enjoy the yellow carpet.
Before the stars, we got to see some other stars in their fabulous costumes. Look at this Elphaba. Fabulous.
Turn around for the camera. Right here.
Some of these dresses were just absolutely stunning. And yes, Glinda, yes! Then we were greeted by the citizens of Oz going up and down the yellow carpet. A lot of the citizens were giving me compliments on the outfit, which I'll take. Hello.
Oh, fantastic and beautiful. Keep it up. These are wonderful.
They're coming. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's Jon. Hi. Thank you. Thank you.
I like that shit.
Yeah, it's awesome. Jon signed it. Jon signed it. I was so awkward when I met Jon, I had no idea what to say. But then it was time for the rest of the cast to come down. Oh my God. Oh my God. As the cast began walking the yellow carpet, an incident occurred that you may have seen online. While I did capture on a video, I'm not going to share it here. I won't give the person involved the attention they're seeking or show Ariana being grabbed without her consent. Cynthia, though, immediately stepped in like the queen that she is to make sure that Ariana was okay. And once she was confirmed to be okay, the cast understandably moved past our section since, I know, safety is a priority. But the night was far from over.
Ariana Grande, Cynthia Erivo, Goldblum, and Jon M. And now, if you could please place your right hand gently onto the molding frame. Thank you all so much for creating this very special memory for us to honor your visit to Singapore.
Before the film, we are getting some wicked food. This is a shrimp burger, and this is like a boba drink. Also a donut. Cute. I was really thirsty, so I devoured this boba drink. And this donut was really cute. I really love the presentation. I devoured the whole thing too. So I was so hungry. I was standing there for hours. Hours. Oh my goodness, it was so wonderful seeing them now. Get to watch the movie. I can't believe I get to see it here in Singapore. Once I got inside the theater, the citizens of Oz were greeting us once again, and they had a really nice, lovely setup here. So this is one of the theaters inside Universal Studios Singapore. I love the stilts. I could never do that. I would fall flat on my face. Not even going to attempt it. I love your suit. Yes.
Give us a twirl, give us a twirl. There we go. And it glitters as well.
Yes. I was having a hard time finding my seat, so I had to ask the citizens of Oz for help. Also, I was just super nervous because I was just so excited to see the movie. Amazing. Got some goodies. Make myself comfortable.
Now we've got a lot of beautiful fans up here. Hello! Are you ready to see the film? Before that, please join me in giving your warmest welcome to the film director, Jon M. Welcome, Jon!
Thank you. It's good to be here. Wow, look at these. Everyone looks so great. We spent 5+ years making this movie. I had 3 children while making this movie. I got a lot of love to give, folks. And we put there's thousands of hands, creative people just like you. And I hope when you see this movie that you get the courage to create more and that you dream bigger than you ever thought you could, because we need you now more in this life. So I hope this inspires you to dream big and create and just keep going.
Wow, Jon M. Thank you so much. That's our film director.
And then it was time to see the movie, and I was just so excited.
And enjoy the movie. Bye, guys.
Just finished Wicked for Good. 10 out of 10. Spectacular. I loved it so much. I want to see it again. Please go see it. It is wonderful. If you've read the books, if you've seen the stage show, the musical, see it. I can't wait to see it again. Oh my goodness. What a once in a lifetime experience. I loved it. Loved it so much. Thank you so much to Resorts World Sentosa for inviting us here to experience the premiere of Wicked for Good here in Asia and in Singapore. Go see the movie. I don't know what else to tell you. Look at my nails. No. We're not done. I got some more goodies and I want to share them with you. First, I got this tote bag. Very cute. Yes, and holds all the goodies that are inside. So the first thing is another bag. So this is from Universal Studios Singapore. Glinda and Alphaba, and it opens on the top. It's a cute little shoulder bag. Look at the design in there. It's so Cute. Got this little paper fan because we were waiting in the heat for all the stars to come down the yellow carpet. And got some trading cards, and I got 3 cards. Look at them. Look how beautiful these are. They're just kind of cardboardy. We got Elphaba, Fiyero, and Glinda. I thought everyone got the same one, but no. No. My cameraman also got one as well, and his are actually different. They're different designs. So I don't know how many there are, but I love that these are collectible. Who doesn't love collecting cards? I was also given this charm bracelet. So this isn't Universal Studios Singapore specific, but this is Resorts World Sentosa where Universal is. And it's this charm bracelet. So this is the full set. And what you do is you go around the different shops and stuff here around the Universal area, and you collect these little charms. And you get like different discounts and perks and stuff. It's very cute, very jingly. My favorite thing that I got was this movie poster. And while we were on the yellow carpet, we got Jon M to sign the poster. So this is gonna be my prized collection. Now I wish I got the other stars to sign it, but it wasn't in the cards for us. But at least we got Jon. This is so cool. Thank you so much to Resorts World Sentosa for inviting us to the Wicked premiere here at Universal Studios Singapore. It was a wonderful time. Go see the movie. It's so good.